our chief guest, and this is an inspiration that both of our chief guests are with us, especially for our girl students. And to the students who have not got any badges and any flashes, it's okay if you have not got any badges, it's okay. Maybe next time you'll get one more chance. So there's always a chance for improvement. You prove yourself, we'll give you a next time chance. So those who did not get any badges, it's okay, next time you'll get it. And those who have got the badges, I want you all to do the duties properly. Girls and boys, those who have got the badges and flashes, maintain your duties and don't, if you have got the badges, don't keep commanding. Don't rule the people. You have to do some things which you should make them follow the things. So make a small changes. With small changes, you can do a huge change to the country even. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your enriching work.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस की आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Respected Chief Guest of the occasion, Shri V.V. Gopinath sir, Chairman of the Institute, Mr. Mohammad Ali Beg, Correspondent, Mr. Mustafa Ali Beg, Vice Chairman of the group, Mr. Ahmed Ali Beg, my dear friend and colleague and guest of honor with me here, Srimati Shivani Dogra, guest of honor Mr. J. Modila, dear respected parents and dear students of Progress Group of Institutions, I am delighted to be here today amongst you all. As we are celebrating the 70 years of our independence, I would like to remind you our country gained freedom by long and bloody struggle on 15th of August 1947. Many of our forefathers, the men and women of the country, have laid down their lives for the independence, for the freedom that we enjoy today. For our future, for future of this country. You are the future of this students, of this country, dear students, and it is your responsibility that we have peace, prosperity and growth in the country. Our beloved Tiranga, which was adopted on 22nd of July 1947 by the Constituent Assembly, that constitutes three colors. Saffron on the top, which is the color of the courage and sacrifice. White in between for peace and knowledge. Green down below, that is the color of growth and prosperity. On the white sits Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes. Each spoke represents 1 hour of the day. It donates the continuity of time and the growth and how we have to move with the time. So my expectation is very simple from the students, that you do follow your passion, do whatever you like to do. Just make your parents, make your school, make society and make country proud. Always keep the flag high. विश्व विजयी तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. यही आप सबसे मेरी अपेक्षा है, यही आप सबसे मेरी आज रिक्वेस्ट है. आप में से कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे, मैं तो स्कूल में पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं अभी ये कैसे करूँगा. सो आप सबसे मैं सिर्फ यही कहूँगी, पढ़ो, लिखो, खेलो, कूदो, आगे बढ़ो. आपसे हम सिर्फ यही चाहते हैं. बट when you go forward, when you march forward, try to help your colleagues. Be an inspiration, be a motivation for them. And you will be taking them, you are taking with yourself a lot of other students and all the guests who are here, our work we feel, our responsibility we will feel we have discharged by encouraging you to do that if you are able to help even a one person while marching forward. Do help others, but please do not help in the exams. Remember that exams you have to write on your own. You have to get that knowledge, you have to get that competence and skills. Our real tribute to our freedom fighters and the architects of our country, would be to preserve the rich cultural heritage, the composite culture and the diversity of our country. That will be our real tribute to our freedom fighters. Please keep that in mind. अनेकता में ही एकता है, इसी में हमारी शान है, इसीलिए मेरा भारत महान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। अब आप सब बच्चे एक बार जोर से बोलो जय हिंद, मेरे साथ बोलो जय हिंद। सुनाई नहीं दिया, जोर से जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. I request the correspondent of the Progress Group of Institution.
मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा, तू आजमा के देख। साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगाते थे यही उम्र है चले यही उम्र है चले गलती से मुझसे यही उम्र है चले गलती से मुझसे यही उम्र है चले गलती से मुझसे
Wow, such a cute performance.